Okay, let's go.
Fuck. Howdy,
Now
Saudi.
we're chilling. Howdy, Saudi.
Let's go to the next bird.
Oh, what the fuck? Do we have to shoot these things?
Oh, fuck. I just died. How the fuck do we do that shit?
Got it. So we gotta grab these things and then we gotta fucking throw these bitches in there.
Where the fuck are you seeing these things at?
They're in the air? I guess you're not seeing. Caca!
Can I get off my fucking bird, please and thank you? Thanks, fuck, man. Let me just get off my fucking bird. It's just pissing me off.
Bitch, you pissed me off!
Yeah! Yeah!
Creepy cavern.
Dude, the fuck?
Oh, fuck this bitch.
The fuck is this shit? Bruh, you gotta be fucking...
Yeah.
A dog, a bee, a moon, a fucking cat, a bird, a sun. It's over here. The fuck?
Hold on, stay right there for a second.
It's not doing nothing.
Here, let's...
Hmm.
Me and you both do the sun and moon.
Nothing's happening. The fuck?
Let's do the birds and the bees.
Okay. Ready? That's stupid. What if you go over here? Isn't there like maybe like a time thingy right here? A ghost?
Oh wow,
Okay,
that
but
was
look.
fully there. Does he have something in his mouth? Oh, get your ass back here. Put a clone there, though. Okay. Oh.
Okay. Okay, I get it. Oh my. Okay, there's a bunch of moons. Okay. Oh, I guess it's time wise. Okay, do the bee.
Bee.
Then do the bird. Then the cat. Dog. Moon and sun. Or fuck. Oh wait. Is there something on the top of here that's like
Yellow. There's red. Okay, so maybe it starts with B. Okay. Let's see this. Nope. It's gotta be like a code thing.
yeah. But what is the code?
Let's try cats. It's
Wait, just look at the time. Just look at the time. That's 9. That's 9 o'clock. That's 5 o'clock. 7, 4, 1, 2. Okay, wait, okay. So do the bee, then the bird, then the cat, then the moon, the dog, and then the sun. and then the sun. Oh my god. I'm a fucking genius.
You're a supercomputer. Shut up, bitch. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
I was right. Gosh. Okay, so now we gotta fling these things at the fucking thingies. Wobble wobble. Wiggle. Okay, doesn't that mean I have to shoot it? Okay, that was cool. That was so fucking cool.
Alright. These birds were boof gang Amadeus for a second, but now they're like fine.
Monkey gang. Oh yeah, boy. Oh shit. Oh, you just took your bird up there.
Yeah. It's pretty cool looking. Look at it.
What are we supposed to do here? Bring them. Oh, your bird looks stupid.
Oh, do we go in here?
Oh, is there something up there? We are that guy.
Dude, is Mr. Bigglesworth gonna come out here?
Do we really have to follow them?
Yes, or we'll never get out of here.
Mr. Snuff.
Fine.
Mr. Lord Felcher.
Mr. Belcher.
That was cool.
Bob's Burgers.
Bob's fat cock.
Think so?
I don't know, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, sh.
There's nowhere to run!
Oh, he's like a machine.
Do something!
What? Me? You do something!
Bro.
Oh, what?
There.
What? Okay, that's cool, but like, what are we supposed to do? Oh, okay, so I get we probably have to bounce off the wall.
Oh, okay. I guess not.
That's not working.
Okay, we just died.
Okay, yeah. I think that's what happened.
Well, there's something back there.
Back where?
Like it was saying that there's like something over there.
You reversed the thingy.
Oh, you put a clone there and then wait for it to get past it. Like go to the front, put a clone there, and then wait for it to get past, and then.
Okay.
You fucking asswipe. Okay.
I did it.
Wow.
I did it. What are you talking about?
Make it.
I thought we were done for.
Ew, mouses.
So far we did.
Just tell me to leave a clone. Should probably leave a clone over there.
Yeah, it's probably just bugged from the last thing we just did.
Probably. Oh yeah, some shit's about to happen. Sideways 2D.
What a magnificent place.
Yeah. And cool mechanical parts.
With no real functionality. This is beautiful, but it doesn't make any sense.
Why do you all
Come on, dog. You're kind of like far behind.
I know.
Someone has to. And I know it's not you.
Maybe you can't explain every little thing that happens
Yeah.
in life.
Oh, I don't like that thought.
Just fucking run.
Why do I run like tilted like this?
I don't know, bro. It looks like you running. You like you have to shit. Yeah.
Whoa.
The moment when your balls is hurt.
Balls is hurt. Holy shit! It's
I don't like
Odin.
the look of that guy.
Max, he can't move.
I doubt he's there just for decoration.
He's clearly a gatekeeper.
Oh, I'm killing it. I'm killing it. I'm killing it.
I'm gonna tear this motherfucker's pussy up, dude.
Keep on moving. See if I can find some keys.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm down,
Let's
Jim.
go. Let's go this way.
That's right. I mean,
Oh shit!
indeed.
Yeah, let's take a look at all this. Go betwixt the crack.
Beast the cracked.
This. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. What is this thing for? What the fuck?
Get up on
Okay.
there. Get up on there.
Oh shit. Yeah. Fucking shit up since
put it down.
2002. Bitch.
Oh shit!
Go for that shit. How are you supposed to get that thing? Maybe if I go back up there.
Yeah.
I have to
We
go
have
back
to
from like
do
over
that.
here.
Whole ass
It's
motherfucker.
just-
Watch, hold on. Let me just put this thing back. Oh, I can only do this thing now.
Fuck. Did I fuck up?
Put a clone? Something under here? I don't know. Yeah, put a clone right here.
Okay. No fucking way. Okay, I got it.
Put
So
another
like now
clone?
it'll. Okay, yeah, that probably makes sense. I can bring physical objects with me? That's freaking crazy.
Okay!
Fucking,
Still can't play
fucking-
Portal though, that's for sure.
oh yeah, definitely. Fucking bananas.
Yeah,
We gotta do that, the little thingy over there, but let's do this one a week first. That's totally bananas.
Whoa, dude. Imagine the wife gets all mad. She's like, "You just mad because I won't let you suck my toes." And he's like, "You're right." It's like I'm fuming. Just give me the fucking toes.
Right, that's a good reason for her to be mad. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, we'll just bring it back over here, and you can go over there on the little spatula.
Yep. Spatula. Alright, bro, so what we gonna do here?
Put a clone right here. You know?
Oh shit, I can just have one be right there? Dude, it's fucking bonkers. My fucking knickers. I don't like that. I don't like that. That's like a word.
Yeah.
It's just not a good word. What the fuck is those things anyways?
Under stuff?
Under stuff?
I think it's
Like the underwears?
Kinda.
Oh, fuck. Okay, that was cool. Okay, do it again. I can't hold on to that thing, or like,
No.
God, it's fucking stupid. Okay, this.
Go now.
What am I supposed to do here?
Put a clone right there. Jump back down onto the other platform.
Oh shit, Jimmy Bean, Jimmy Johns. I don't think I can do that. Oh, yeah, I can. Cool, go for it. Keep on going for it. Let's doing this shit. Okay. Oh my god. Just fell off.
I did. I just looked away for a second. I thought you fucking fell off. Oh my god.
That would have been funny as fuck.
Cody.
Cody. Why have you done this?
Donde está la biblioteca?
What?
Where's the library?
Where's the library?
Library, yeah.
Give me the loot. Oh, bro, he's putting down his sword. Okay, I think we gotta do the other one.
Is the other one gonna come up with his ass? Oh. Oh, that's... Now we have to go back to the other one. That's awesome.
That's fucking cool. So fucking cool.
I thought something was gonna come out of that and just go straight up his poop shit.
That would have been pretty funny, not gonna lie.
I just
Oh,
think he got some of his drip, dude. Look at his calves.
No, bro, I mean, his calves are built like fucking chimichangas.
Whoa. Bull.
It's a whole lot of bullshit.
Whoa.
Oh my god. We really
bull,
just tried to
bitch.
bore it.
Oh, shit. Yeah,
Okay,
damn.
cut.
Oh my god.
Holy fuck. Holy
Holy shit. Oh, oh, oh.
What are we gonna do? Oh, fuck, that man's still coming.
Bro, you gotta stand on this. You gotta stand on this. Uh-oh.
On what? On what? On what? I gotta
On the
stand
button.
what?
There's a button.
Run! Run, bitch! Run, bitch! No!
Okay.
Maybe you can trick him with your clone.
Clone, get out of there.
Bro.
I thought he like rocked your shit still.
Both on the same place.
Maybe just put a clone somewhere else and then just go over there. You rocked your shit.
This was funny.
Oh my god! Oh fuck!
That stone clip looks like it hurt it.
Oh my god, bro, this guy's just fucking me up. Jesus, you have to do a time shit right there, bro.
Yeah, I understand. You gotta put a clone somewhere else before you get there.
Like where?
Like right there. Like right there. And then go on the button.
Okay. Oh my god.
Put a clone down now. Put a button. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's fucking my world up right now. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, you better get ready to go.
Bullshit. Go, go. That's fucking bullshit. Right here.
Oh
Right here, leave
my
the corner.
god! Oh my god! I'm gonna fuck.
Bro, this is fucking weird, bro. Oh, good. Oh, bro, you gotta be fucking kidding me right now, dude.
Oh my
Go,
god!
bitch, go, bitch, go, bitch, go, bitch, go, bitch, go, bitch, go, bitch.
Oh my god!
You're fucking. You're so sus. Oh, that's so bullshit, bro. God.
Oh my god! Okay, game on. Let's go. Holy fuck nuggets, bro! Maybe just do what you did the last time and just tank the hit.
You know,
Go, bro!
I can't take the fucking hit, bro. Oh my.
What? Are you not teleporting? Is that what's happening?
I guess not.
I guess when he's ready to charge, you just. Uh oh, I need to get in range.
Okay.
Now, leave now.
Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
Literally keep straight for your shit.
Okay.
It's like you owe him money or some shit.
Okay, I did it. Fuck me, man. That shit took forever. Oh, fuck.
Oh my god, it's just walking. Oh! Oh! Live, just live.
I'm trying. Okay. Oh, yeah. We fucked that goat.
We fucked. Okay, let's get out of here.